Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 500 internal server error in Google Chrome. So in order to solve this problem, you'll have to first of all navigate to your Google Chrome. So open your PC and open Google Chrome. Now click on the three-dotted icon at the top right of the screen. In this, you're going to click on Help. Now when you take your mouse over Help, it will show up this menu. We'll have to click on About Google Chrome. Now, as you can see, my Chrome is already up to date. If you don't have your Chrome updated to the latest version, what you will see here is a relaunch button or an update button. Simply click on that button and it will instantly update your Chrome to the latest version. That could fix your problem. Now, if your problem is still persisting, click on the privacy and security button just right here. Now scroll down, click on delete browsing data. Now, in this, make sure you navigate to advanced, choose all time and check browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cache images and files, scroll down and make sure you leave passwords and autofill form data. Choose site settings and hosted app data and click on delete data. Now when you click on delete data, it will instantly remove the browsing data and all the elements selected in this list, and that will instantly solve your problem. Now if your problem is still persisting, click on the reset setting button here. Click on reset settings to their original defaults and click on reset settings again. Now when you click on reset setting button just right here, it will reset your Chrome and then you can navigate to the site that you were visiting and that would solve your problem. So these were the ways through which you can fix your 500 internal server error in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.